Experiencing LTE issues with Simple Mobile? You're not alone. Since Simple Mobile operates on T-Mobile's network, LTE problems can arise from APN settings, preferred network configurations, or VoLTE issues. First, what is APN? APN, or Access Point Name, is the gateway that connects your phone to the internet via the carrier's network. For Simple Mobile, the default APN is simple. Next, preferred network. This setting determines which network technologies your phone prioritizes, such as LTE or 5G. Setting it correctly ensures better connectivity. Finally, VoLTE, or Voice over LTE. This allows voice calls over the LTE network instead of falling back to older technologies, improving call quality. When LTE isn't working, the culprit is often a misconfigured APN or an incorrect network preference. We will show you how to check these settings and get your LTE working again. First, check your APN settings. Go to Settings, then Mobile Networks, and select Access Point Names. Make sure Simple is selected and set as default. Next, adjust your preferred network. On Android, navigate to Settings, Network and Internet, Mobile Network, Preferred Network Type, and set it to LTE CDMA. On iOS, go to Cellular Data Options and enable LTE. Finally, enable VoLTE in your SIM settings if your phone supports it. Most modern phones do. After making these changes, restart your phone. If issues persist, try toggling airplane mode or contact Simple Mobile support.